નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here.
Dear student friends, let's go ahead in the second pattern of future time, that is future continuous tense. It can be also known as continuous future tense. Future continuous or continuous future. As it is, we'll move ahead with the same. Being here in the present, if we will think for an action which is going to happen in future, but for the time being it may be in a progressive condition in future, that assumption we are having at present for that type of action, for that type of work, we will use continuous future or future continuous tense. Very simple. How it is with the present and past, like that it is with the future. We'll move ahead with the affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence structure so far as this tense is concerned. As it is noun pronoun or personal pronoun, that can be on place of subject plus shall or will plus be form. So that only shall and shall be both are quite different. One represents model auxiliary, another represents to be form of shall. To be form with shall. To be form of will. Shall be will be. Plus be for present participle of the verb. Generally, as it is with the FP, we will think for shall, and with the SP and TP, we will think for will. I will be going, nothing is wrong with that. I shall be going, that we will think. You will be or shall be going, that we will think here. They will be or shall be going, that we will think. In this way, we will move ahead with the affirmative sentence structure of this tense. Next to that, we will move ahead with the negative sentence. In negative sentence structure, we will take care. Why is it so? Soon after shall be, we will not use not. But in between shall and be, we will use not. Noun pronoun, personal pronoun, that can be on place of subject plus shall or will. In general condition only we will think here. Then afterwards not, then afterwards be, then afterwards be for present participle of verb. I or we, will be, shall be, whatsoever you will use. Here we think general condition, so that shall be only. So that I shall, then no, then be, then going. I shall be not going, that's wrong. I shall not be going, that is correct. Mira, she will not be going, that is correct. They will not be going, that is correct. In other words, after shall and will, we will use not, after shall be or will be. The same thing you will keep in your mind with the interrogative sentence structure. In interrogative sentence structure also, shall be and will not be in the initial stage of the sentence. Only shall, only will be in the initial place. So the remaining part means be will be after subject and before verb, main verb. Shall oblique will plus noun or personal pronoun, that can be on place of subject plus be plus be for present participle. Will, shall, first place. Pending is be. Shall I be going? Shall we be going? Will you be going? Will Mira be going? Will they be going? Like that. In this way, we have completed affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence structure. Now we will move ahead with personal pronoun terminations in continuous future tense. Let's move ahead. What's there with this? Here, table is already given for personal pronoun, continuous future, future continuous tense. In which you want to write, you can write down it. I shall be going, I shall not be going, shall I be? We will be going. General, we are thinking here general. So that we shall be going, we shall not be going. Shall we be going? What will you write here for you singular? The same thing would be for plural. She will not keep here pending blank. She will write the same thing. What is written here for singular? The same thing you will write here for plural. You will be going, you will not be going. Will you be going? He, she, it. Common for all three. He will be going, you will not be going. Will you be going? For all these three, plural form is there. They will be going. They will not be going. Will they be going? You may have one question in your mind that each and every time why I am giving all these things to you. Unnecessarily, why I am doing. This is the structure what you will write in your paper. Each and every time. Suppose that if I have given an essay to write, at that time, all the times you will not write Gandhi, you will write with Gandhi, others also were there. I'll tell it for your mother. I love my mother. I and my mother. You may also love your mother. So that all these personal pronouns would be directly, indirectly in your spoken and in your written language each and every time. So that I have given this to you. I'll give you time to write the same. This portion also you will write down. This portion also you will write down. So that it can be for your reference forever. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Now, after this, here only we will move ahead with use and usage of the same tense. Just first, let's move ahead with the use and usages of future continuous, continuous future tense. What's there? First of all, we will think that the action of the future time. The thing is what? Future time action is there, and the action of future time may be in a progressive condition. This is our assumption, and that assumption is in the present scenario. We are here in the present time, and yet we are planning to think for the future, and that action is also in a progressive condition. When this kind of plan is there at present, for that purpose, we have to use future continuous, continuous future tense. You see here, my child will be practicing. At present, he is not. In future, after 5 years, my child will be practicing medicine in the city area. This city area, I have not planned, I have not seen, but assumption is there for his practice. The action may be in a progressive condition, going and going and going in future. Next to that one, to be going to. You see here, to be going to is a phrase that is here used with the present tense, and yet the present tense action is ready to show future continuous. You see here, Meera is going to speak on role of women in the assembly. Today we are thinking, we are having assumption that by tomorrow assembly, in the assembly of tomorrow, Meera is going to speak, is present continuous. But to be going to is a phrase that indicates future planned action. For that, here it is used. Meera is going to speak on the role of women in the assembly. Today is not, she is not going to speak, she is going to speak by tomorrow. that is planned action. Next to that one, that we have already completed. Last one, not least one, this we have already completed. Whenever we want to use planned action, being present here, when we will think for the plan action of the future, at the time to indicate this plan action in future, which may start within short span of time and may be continue for a long time. To indicate that present continuous present tense is used. You see here, Mira is coming. Mira is coming from Mumbai. Next week, this is the tense of present continuous. But you will think that Mira is coming means Mira will be coming. Got the idea? In this way, we have completed future continuous with structure, personal pronouns, and with the use and usage of this. I'll give you time to write the same thing so that whatsoever you want, you can have it from here and it can be useful to you for your great reference. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Write down it as soon as possible so that it can be useful.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.